Welcome back to How Car USA, the channel where luxury, performance, and futuristic automotive design come together in one incredible experience. Today we're diving deep into the breathtaking 2027 Mercedes Maybach S 900, a machine that completely redefines ultra-luxury driving. This is not just a sedan. This is a rolling private jet designed for the streets. From the massive chrome grille to the handcrafted interior and incredible hybrid performance, every inch of this Maybach screams prestige, elegance, and power. Make sure to watch until the end because this luxury masterpiece gets even more insane the deeper we go. The exterior design of the 2027 Mercedes Maybach S 900 is absolutely stunning. The car arrives in a beautiful shiny black and silver two-tone finish that gives it a royal road presence. At the front, the massive illuminated Maybach grille dominates the road with elegant chrome detailing flowing across the bonnet. The long sculpted hood features smooth aerodynamic lines that make the car look both aggressive and sophisticated at the same time. The ultra-thin LED headlights feature crystal-inspired lighting technology with animated welcome sequences that instantly grab attention during nighttime driving. Moving toward the sides, the body shape is sleek, elegant, and incredibly luxurious. The long wheelbase design creates limousine-level proportions while the chrome window surrounds and hidden door handles give the car a futuristic appearance. Massive 23-inch turbine alloy wheels with polished chrome accents perfectly complement the luxury styling. The side mirrors feature integrated LED indicators, blind spot cameras, and automatic anti-glare technology for maximum safety and convenience. Soft closed doors open smoothly with automatic electric assistance, giving passengers a true VIP experience. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight setup creates a futuristic light signature that looks incredible at night. The back lights feature 3D crystal illumination with dynamic animations during braking and turning. Chrome dual exhaust outlets are integrated neatly into the rear bumper while the illuminated Maybach emblem adds another layer of exclusivity. The rear design feels elegant, modern, and extremely expensive from every angle. Step inside and the cabin instantly feels like a first-class luxury lounge. The interior is wrapped in premium off-white luxury leather seats with diamond stitching and handcrafted detailing throughout the cabin. The seats offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and fully reclining executive comfort for rear passengers. The off-white and silver luxury dashboard looks futuristic with massive digital screens flowing seamlessly across the front cabin. Real crystal accents, polished aluminum trim, and open-pore wood surfaces create an ultra-premium atmosphere. The ambient lighting system offers 128 customizable colors that completely transform the mood of the interior at night. Rear passengers enjoy fold-out tables, champagne storage compartments, refrigerated cup holders, and executive calf rests that make long journeys feel effortless. Even the roof features a panoramic glass setup with adjustable opacity technology that allows passengers to control sunlight instantly. The steering wheel is one of the most advanced ever installed in a luxury car. Wrapped in soft leather with chrome accents, the steering features touch-sensitive controls, haptic feedback buttons, heated grips, and AI-powered driver assistance integration. The digital instrument cluster changes according to driving modes while the augmented reality head-up display projects navigation directly onto the windshield. Mercedes has also added voice-controlled AI assistance that learns driver habits over time. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes Maybach S 900 is powered by a monstrous twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid engine producing nearly 900 horsepower and over 1,100 lb-ft of torque. This ultra-luxury machine accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds despite its massive size. The top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans ever built. The advanced air suspension system scans the road ahead in real time and adjusts the suspension instantly for maximum comfort. Even rough roads feel perfectly smooth inside the cabin. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability while the intelligent all-wheel drive system delivers maximum grip in every weather condition. The car also includes semi-autonomous driving technology with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent parking assistance. Technology inside the Maybach S900 feels years ahead of the competition. The latest MBUX infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and over-the-air software updates. A premium Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers concert-level audio quality throughout the cabin. Rear entertainment screens allow passengers to stream movies, control climate settings, and even manage business meetings while traveling. American luxury car buyers will love the massive interior space, ultra-quiet ride quality, advanced technology, and unmatched road presence. This car combines power, prestige, comfort, and futuristic innovation into one complete luxury package. The estimated starting price in the United States is around $350,000, while fully loaded versions could easily exceed $500,000 depending on customization options. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach S900 is more than just transportation. It is a symbol of success, innovation, and ultimate luxury. From its handcrafted interior and futuristic technology to its powerful V12 hybrid performance and stunning road presence, this machine proves Mercedes Maybach is still leading the luxury world into the future. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you enjoyed this incredible Maybach S900 review, make sure to like, subscribe.